Hello viewers, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to check follow request sent on Instagram. So first of all, open Instagram account. Look at the left side, click on more, go to settings, click on download your information, request a download, select the second option, select followers and following, next, submit request, and you need to just waiting some time. When download this file, then you can easily check follower list. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial review channel for more video.